Hello guys, wanna know how to send one-time view photos on WhatsApp? Let me show you how to do it, so follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. Let's go. Now, open WhatsApp on your device and when on the chats page, look for the chat where you wanna send the photo. It could be a group or a chat with a single person. Now open the chat and tap on the plus icon located at the bottom left. Now you can choose either a camera to take a photo right now, or you can choose the blue photos option to choose the photo or even a video from your gallery. Now you will be taken to your gallery, select a photo and tap on the pencil icon at the bottom left. Now here you can edit the photo, for example, you can crop it here, tap down at the bottom right when complete. You can add some stickers and you can add some text or even draw on the image. Now let's add some caption, cute elephant. And now look for this one icon right beside the description of the photo. Just give it a tap and as you can see, the photo set to view once. Now hit the send icon at the bottom right, and as you can see, it was sent as one-time view photo. Now the recipient has received the photo, and when he opens it and watches it for some time, it will automatically disappear. Also, they will not be able to screenshot it, so you can maintain your privacy. And now that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.